God gives us life with happy and sad moments. But parents are always there with their children to provide them the best and happiest moments. Morning greetings. Today I feel extremely privileged to welcome you all to the platform where we are going to celebrate National Parents' Day virtually. It's the day to express gratitude towards that unconditional love and sacrifice parents do for their children to nurture them. Today, you are going to witness and rejoice the bondage between the parental figure and their children that is full of love and affection. Today, you are going to overwhelmed with all the plethora of activities which we are going to conduct today in this session. But before that, I would like to wish to all the lovely parents a happy National Parents' Day. Now, I truly see the God's grace for all the parents to meet the challenges in their life to nurture their children. To start today's celebration, I hope Ankita ma'am has connected to all the dignitaries. I welcome and I request our chairman Dr. J.R. Kashyap, our principal Mrs. A. Raghavan, our vice principal Mr. Saurabh Raj Kashyap, headmistress Mrs. Sonia Kashyap, and founder Rainbow Kids Valley Mrs. Sunita Kashyap, our lovely parents and our Rainbowites, to please be ready for the lamp lightning. Ankita, please connect.
Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampada. Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampada. Shatru buddhi vinashaya deepajyotir namostute. Deepajyotir namostute. दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर् जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर् जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापम् सन्ध्यादीप नमोऽस्तुते ओ दीप ब्रह्मरूपस्त्वम् ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीप ब्रह्मरूपस्त्वम् ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश्च मतिं स्वच्छां हि मे सदा रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् यस्य तिष्ठे गृहे दीपः तस्य नास्ति दरिद्रता शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम्.
Already the ambience has become so pious. So continue with that. Let's seek the blessing of Goddess Saraswati. Now we are connecting our Rainbowites, Kritika, Ishika and Vaishnavi performing Saraswati Vandana.
Sa sa re sa ni ni sa ni pa pa ni ma 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 ni dha dha da sa pa pa ma ni ma ma pa ma 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 ni sa. Ma Saraswati share शिशु है अज्ञानी माता, इन चरणों का प्यार दे। वीणा वाली तार दे, तार दे, तार दे। माँ सरस्वती शारदे, माँ सरस्वती शारदे। मूरख हम नहीं जाने जननी, पूजन वंदन ध्यान को। मूरख हम नहीं जाने जननी, पूजन वंदन ध्यान को। आदि शक्ति कर क्षमा हमें, आदि शक्ति कर क्षमा हमें, पूजा के उद्गार दे। वीणा वाली तार दे, तार दे, तार दे। माँ सरस्वती शारदे, माँ सरस्वती शारदे।
Wow, what a beautiful presentation by these girls. Please give a huge round of applause for these girls. Now, I would like to request our school chairman, Dr. J.R. Kashyap, to bless us all on this auspicious day, that is National Parents' Day.
Revered parents, today I am here, Dr. J.R. Kashyap, Director of Rainbow International Schools, World School, as well as Rainbow English School, Janakpuri. For a long time, I'm missing particularly the gathering of the parents, the advice of the parents, and sometime commitment to the parents. But what to do? We have to do certain different technology to be applied, and from here, because I am in Himachal, you all the parents are in Delhi. From here I wanted to have an interaction with you because of one very precious day for the parents, that is Parents' Day. You know, the parents, that long before, why it was celebrated and what was the foundation, what are the reasons that a Parents' Day is being celebrated. The reason, because Indian universities like Nalanda, like Kurukshetra, because these were the very old universities in India and having the very culture of Indians. The foreigners, students, scholars used to come to study in India, and right from the age of 14 years, the European country students, scholars, they wanted to study in India and they used to come to India. But there was great difficulty for the parents because they used to divert their children to go further study in India, and they were not in a position to meet their parents every now and then. Why? Because of the hard study, system of culture, system of teaching. That's why the children, the students, the scholars, they were not in a position to meet their respective parents. At that time, it was decided that yes, at least one day can be fixed for those children to have a talk, to discuss with the parents, to decide what their future would be, and but they wanted to interact with the parents. It was the Parents' Day selected, and since then this Parents' Day is now being celebrated in India too, because of the world scholars used to come to India. The Indian students used to go to study in the foreign universities, and for the sake of them, we, the parents, I'm also a parent, you are also a parent. We, the parents, wanted to meet the children by this way or the other ways. So therefore, this very beautiful day comes in front of us, and society used to celebrate the Parents' Day. Because due to this problem, now we are not getting the time to meet you in the basement, in the school. So we thought how to get an interaction with you, how to meet with you, how to share the views with you. I am here in front of you. That's why we arranged through highest technology at this time. The Rainbow School is using, and through this not only online teaching is being given to the students, but every now and then every opportunity is given to the parents too. The parents are getting always discussion, direct interaction with the teachers, with the students, whenever the classes are going on, because we have arranged the classes in such a way that the parents in the morning, during daytime, in the evening time, whatsoever time you, the parents, can spare, you can talk to the teachers, you can meet in front of the students, you can discuss the difficulties of the students with the teachers, and teachers too can have direct interaction with the parents. That's why this day we wish that you all should keep yourself healthy. You all should share all these problems with the children, and right from morning to evening, at least today, the children as well as the parents should have direct interaction. Through this interaction, I suggest to the parents that in the evening hour, at least I am telling to the students through this video conferencing that they should also in the evening time spare their time. I am requesting to the teachers too that evening will be spared so that the children can meet and have direct interaction with the parents. And I suggest to the parents that you all, the parents, in the evening time, spare your valuable time. Don't go for the business or something different. Spare your time from the offices, and in the evening time, pass your happy time with your children. I feel when you are passing your happy time with the children, they will feel very happy rather, and you, the parents, will have a sufficient time. Go in the evening to the religious places, take the children to the historical places, and at the time of evening, you spare your own time. Cook food, particularly mothers, even the fathers, because the father even nowadays must have become expert in cooking, because they must have got 40 days at least during the lockdown time to learn cooking too. And you can share your art of cooking in front of the children in the evening time, at least today, so that you can enjoy the evening as parents and as the children, those who are in front of you. You can share your problems, you can share your difficulties, you can share your views, you can guide the children, you can advise the children, you can advise about the living standard for the present, how to pass the time, how to devote the time, and what are the actions, what are the precautions are to be taken for the safety of health and for the devotion time for religious places, religious too, because we all depending upon Almighty. We must honor, we must respect everybody. So the parents, I know that today may not be all parents listening my words, but when it will be uploaded in YouTube, you can see me at least in front, you can hear my words, you can share your views with me, and you can share the problems of study with teachers. So the parents, once again, I wish that in the evening time, spare your time, spare your valuable time, and enjoy the Parents' Day today with the family, with the children, and a beautiful advice to the children, as well as any guideline which you wanted as parents, wanted to give to the teachers, to the management of school. We are always with you, and we will listen to you. We will work upon the advice and hope that this interaction of today will give us some more practical things to be practical, and we can overpower the problems of students as well as the teachers, as well as we can share our difficulties with one another. Thank you, children. Thank you, parents, that you have spared your time and you have listened my word, and hope that you will act upon all the things which I am telling you. Thank you, and have a nice day.
Thank you, sir, for your blessings. Now our students are going to present a medley. They have dedicated this medley to their parents, and they just want to say Happy Parents' Day.
Happy Parents' Day to all of you. Wish all the lovely parents a happy Parents' Day. So I think we are here to share our thoughts, and I'm eagerly waiting for everybody. I think you all have something to share, right? Let's start with Vansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Vansh, do you want to say something about your parents?
Yes, ma'am. I have few lines to speak on my parents.
Yes, please.
मैं रोता हूँ तो कभी रोने नहीं देती, मैं रोता हूँ तो कभी रोने नहीं देती, भूखे पेट कभी कुछ सोने नहीं देती। एक माँ ही तो है वो जो फिक्र जताती है, एक माँ ही तो है वो जो फिक्र जताती है, बिना बात के वो मुझे चाहती है, बिना बात के वो मुझे चाहती है।
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस। अभी इतने में हमारा दिल नहीं भरा।
ओके मैम। किसी ने रोजा रखा, किसी ने रोजा रखा, तो किसी ने उपवास रखा। हमने वो पुण्य नहीं कमाया, हमने वो पुण्य नहीं कमाया, बस माँ बाप को अपने पास रखा, बस माँ बाप को अपने पास रखा।
वेरी नाइस,
थैंक यू मैम।
वेरी नाइस, वेरी गुड। अलीशा इज स्माइलिंग लाइक अलीशा इज eagerly waiting मेरे टर्न कब आने वाला है। अलीशा, do you want to say something?
यस मैम, यस मैम।
Please.
उसने कब चांद तारे मांगे मुझसे, उसने कब चांद तारे मांगे मुझसे, जो मैं हथेली पे रख देता तो बादल बहुत उसने कब चांद तारे मांगे मुझसे, जो मैं हथेली पे रख देता तो बादल बहुत था। और मुझे नहलाकर मेरी माँ ने कभी गमछा नहीं ढूंढा, मुझको सुखाने के लिए उसका आंचल ही बहुत था।
Nice, very nice, Alisha. I'm damn sure if your mom has heard it, she must be very, very impressed and very, very proud of you. Very nice. अनन्या, अनन्या तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैम बस मेरी टर्न कब आएगी, राइट अनन्या?
हाँ, एक्साइटेड हूँ।
मैं भी बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ अनन्या से सुनने के लिए।
तो मैं शुरू करती हूँ।
Yes.
मेरे आंसू देख उसकी आंखें में भर आई, मेरे आंसू देख उसकी आंखें में भर आई। मेरी एक छोटी सी जिद की खातिर माँ अपने सपनों को पीछे छोड़ाई। और क्या कहूँ माँ के बारे में यारो, और क्या कहूँ माँ के बारे में यारो। एक रोटी ही तो मांगी थी मैंने, एक रोटी ही तो मांगी थी मैंने, और माँ झट से मेरे लिए पकवान बना कर ले आई, और माँ झट से मेरे लिए पकवान बना कर ले आई।
वाओ अनन्या, वाओ। एक्चुअली आई डोंट नो कि मम्मा कितनी इम्प्रेस होगी, लेकिन अभी मेरे तो मुंह में एकदम पानी भर आया है। आई वांट टू हैव रियली समथिंग वेरी वेरी स्वीट नाउ।
Hello, my name is Suhani and I am a student of class 6C. Today I am going to recite a poem in front of you. The title of my poem is Happy Parents Day. Thanks mom, thanks dad. Thank you mom, thank you dad. 3 small words, so much to add. For all your love and your support. A million of words would be too short. The words I love you seems to be few to express the love I have for you. Thank you and happy Parents Day to all the
आज
parents.
जो कुछ भी हूँ बना, डैडी हो तुम ही उसके वजह। खुद से ही चलने के काबिल हुआ मैं, डैडी हो तुम ही उसके वजह। कानों पे चढ़ के वो सैर करके देखी सभी दुनिया, तुमसे शुरू मेरा जहां, तुम ही मेरे हो आसमां, तुमसे शुरू मेरा जहां, डैडी तुम मेरे हो आसमां।
ये तो सच है कि भगवान है मगर फिर भी अनजान है। धरती पे रूप माँ बाप का उस विधाता की पहचान है। ये तो सच है कि भगवान है जन्मदाता है, जो नाम जिनसे मेरा थाम कर जिनकी उंगली है बचपन चला। ओ, कांधे पर बैठ के जिनके देखा जहाँ, ज्ञान जिनसे मिला क्या भला क्या बुरा। इतने उपकार हैं क्या कहीं, ये बताना न आसान है। धरती पे रूप माँ बाप का उस विधाता की पहचान है। ये तो सच है कि भगवान है।
Wonderfully sung by the students. I must say that it was a treat to our ears. Now let me take you to the adorable journey where our tiny tots and their parents are performing on a beautiful song, and I assure you that it would bring a big smile on your face, and it would induce you all to tap up your feet with pleasure.
अपनों का प्यार क्या कहना।
मिले हम छलक उठा खुशी का खुमार क्या कहना। खिले खिले चेहरों से आज घर है मेरा गुल गुलजार क्या कहना।
खिले खिले चेहरों से आज घर है मेरा गुल गुलजार क्या कहना।
ऐ दिल लाया है बहार अपनों का प्यार क्या कहना।
मिले हम छलक उठा खुशी का खुमार क्या कहना।
हम तुम यूं ही मिलते रहे महफिल यूं ही सजती रहे।
बस प्यार की यही एक धुन हर सुबह शाम बजती रहे।
गले में महकता रहे प्यार भरी बाहों का हार क्या कहना।
खिले खिले चेहरों से आज घर है मेरा गुल गुलजार क्या कहना। ऐ दिल लाया है बहार अपनों का प्यार क्या कहना।
मिले हम छलक उठा खुशी का खुमार क्या कहना। खिले खिले चेहरों से आज घर है मेरा गुल गुलजार क्या कहना।
खिले खिले चेहरों से आज घर है मेरा गुल गुलजार क्या कहना।
Well, I know you all are blended with the performance, and now I'm quite elated to take you to another beautiful performance by our music teacher, Miss Pratibha. Please connect.
Now there is something special for all the handsome dads. कभी खर्चा खुद पर किया नहीं, कभी महंगा फ़ोन खुद लिया नहीं, वही शर्ट पुरानी पहनी है, वही बाइक पुरानी रखते हो। मैं कह ना पाई अब तक पापा सुपर हैंडसम लगते हो। जब हर कोई मुझसे कहता था तो पीछे ही रह जाएगी, तब आप ही थे जो कहते थे इन बातों को तो साइड पे रख, और कर जो तेरे दिल में है, मुझे पता है तो मुश्किल में है, पर एक नंबर की पागल हूँ जो लड़ जाती हूँ कभी कभी। मुझे पता है बेशक ना बोलो, तबीयत रहती अब सही नहीं। मुझे याद है बचपन के वो दिन जब टॉफ़ी लेकर आते थे, पर घर में रहता राशन कब तो भूखे ही सो जाते थे। ना ठीक पढ़ाई में ही ना कोई काम ठीक से करती थी, एक डर रहता था लोगों का, बस मन ही मन घबराती थी। मुझे याद है जब मैं फेल हुई, रिश्तेदार सब वो कहते थे आवारा है, नालायक और ना जाने क्या, मेरी वजह से सब कुछ फेस किया ये और कोई क्या जाने क्या। इसे सरकारी में डालो तुम, कॉन्वेंट के ये लायक नहीं, एक वजह आप जो खड़ी यहाँ मैं वरना कोई गायक नहीं। हर पल दोस्त बनाकर रखा मुझको, कभी भी समझा अलग नहीं। मैं अब भी घबरा जाती हूँ जब दिखे आपकी झलक नहीं। जब जाते हो आप दूर कहीं तो दिल में हलचल रहती है। अब कहने को हूँ समझदार पर आपके जैसी अकल नहीं। जहाँ भी हूँ बस प्यार आपका कर्जदार मरते दम तक। चाहे लाख मुसीबत आई पर ना पहुँचे कोई एक हम तक। कभी कह ना पाई वैसे तो पर प्यार बहुत और इज्जत भी, बस बनूं आपके जैसी मुझसे हार जो जाए किस्मत भी। एंड दिस इज़ फॉर यू डैड।
This is for all the lovely moms.
जन्म जन्म हो तू ही मेरे पास है माँ, जन्म जन्म हो तू ही ज़मीं आसमां, ये है खबर दिल में कहीं रब रहता है मगर मेरे दिल में रहती भोली भाली मेरी माँ। पगली है दुनिया रब को मनाने, मंदिर मज़ारों तक जाती है, घर में ही मेरा होता है तीरथ, मुझको नजर जब आती है, मुझको नजर जब आती है। जन्म जन्म तू मेरी अरदास माँ, जन्म जन्म तू मेरा एहसास माँ। सच का पता दिल में ही है पर मुझको है पता, मेरे दिल में रहती भोली भाली मेरी माँ। मेरे दिल में रहती भोली भाली मेरी माँ।
Thank you, Pratibha ma'am, for your wonderful presentation. Now we are having some activities for parents. So our first activity is thread painting activity. Parents, you have spent quality time with your children during this COVID pandemic, and your children have learnt so many things from you. Of course, you have also. So, in this activity, you are going to make a beautiful painting with the help of some beautiful colors. We are having 11 participants. So, parents, are you ready?
First we need red paint. All the colors need thread, brush, and piece of.
Our first participant was Shaurya from 2nd A with her mother. Shaurya explained each and everything what she has used to draw this beautiful thread painting. Now we are having our second participant Diva Chakma from nursery class. Her father explained and even drawing this beautiful thread painting. Wow! Our next participant Azan Ahmed Khan from KGA Both the parents, they are enthusiastically participating in this activity. Azan is also very curious to draw and he is watching very carefully that how the parents, they both are helping to Azan. Very good, Azan. A next participant, Bhavesh from nursery class. His mother is making beautiful painting and telling him that how they are drawing this thread painting. A next participant, Ridyans from first C. His mother is also helping him out to draw this beautiful thread painting. Next participant, Ashriya from first A. Her father is helping her out to make this beautiful thread painting and telling her also. Next participant, Ahana from second C. Her father is telling her to draw a beautiful design with the help of thread and of course colors. Our next participant, Sakshi from class KGB. Her mother is telling and explaining also. Next participant, Arav Gosa from second T. She's telling her son that how we can draw a beautiful thread painting. And the last participant, Trisha from first B. Though we are doing this activity online, but all parents, we can see the vibrant zeal that they are using to draw this thread painting. Very beautiful. I request all the viewers, please give a huge round of applause for all the participating parents for this beautiful thread painting. A big thanks to all the parents for the participation in this activity. Please give a huge round of applause for all the parents. You all have participated enthusiastically. Now, I would like to invite the most adorable person, our school principal, Mrs. A. Raghavan, to present her views.
A very warm good morning to one and all present here. Parents are the most precious gifts for our children. They are our true guardian who show unconditional love, whether it be physical, mental, social, financial, or career development. They are always supportive and helpful to overcome each and every obstacles of our life. Hence, to highlight the sacrifices made by the parents and to appreciate their endless efforts, National Parents Day is celebrated every year. We at Rainbow even also taking this opportunity to show our gratitude towards our wonderful parents. Today a live webinar is organized. Wishing you all a happy Parents Day. It gives me immense pleasure to share the excellent 10th and 12th board result with you all. 100% result in 10th and 12th. Let me explain from the class 12th. Kushi Pandey, belongings to Commerce stream, secured 97.6%. Abnesh Munia, belongings to Science stream, 94.8%. Ritika Yadav, Rohan Rawat, belongs to Humanities stream, secured 94%. 460 excellent distinctions in various subjects. 159 students secured above 90%. Apart from that, Kushi Pandey secured 100% in accountancy. Navya Bhatnagar secured 100% in marketing. Now move on to class 10. Anjali Kumari secured 96.6% school first. Jasi Tiwari 95% school second. Vidisha Jain 93.8% school third. 440 excellent distinction in various subjects. 122 students secured above 90% marks. I express my sincere thanks to all our esteemed parents for your trust, confidence, and cooperation. Without that, we would not have achieved this great success in academics. Not only in academics, in sports and other extracurricular activities also. As a parent, you want the best for your child, and we are proud to be working with you to ensure that they are given the good education and knowledge to face the future challenges even at this pandemic situation. Education is not just a process of giving knowledge just for getting a job, but it is a lifelong process which creates an understanding of emotional, mental, social, and ethical values to guide one's life in a right path. We at Rainbow focus on all round development of our students by involving them in both scholastic and co scholastic areas suggested by CBSE, as well as providing various opportunities to enhance their skill in every possible manner. If a plant is nurtured carefully by a gardener, it will give us fruit in a better way. As a gardener, you and we together grow our children by inculcating all human values in them. At the end, I would like to appreciate all our teachers for their efforts, dedication, hard work in providing quality education as well as giving us the excellent results. They are working tirelessly even at this hard pandemic situation. At last, be a good parent, friend, and a teacher of your child at home. Thank you for being a wonderful audience in this live webinar. Stay safe at home. Once again, happy Parents' Day to you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your wonderful words. Now, here we are going to start an activity which is based on the bonding, love, and affection between the parents and their children. So here we are up with an activity of photo frame making, and here they are going to keep their memories alive forever. Photo frame activity. Here we are having 7 participants. Krishav 8A with his mother. They both are trying their level best to make the best photo frame, and believe me, it would be the best. Nicely they are putting, checking the ratio. He is Ishan, class 6B. These are actually wonderful moments when a family works together. Ishan seems to be very happy. Father is, happy. Father is cautiously applying the glue. This is what actually we want to deliver, a message from this platform, that when a family works together, they do wonders. Sejal, class 6B. Very creatively they have made the bow or something flower like thing. nicely doing, 3 of them together. They are given a limited time, and within that tenure only they need to complete their photo frame. We can see how creatively mother of Sneha Roy doing, and father is doing his part very cautiously. Very nice. Yash Vashisht, class 8th D, with his parents. He is using vibrant color for the photo frame. Karthik, class 6th A, with his mother. Hurry up, come on. Very less time is left. Here we are having Sara, class 7C. It's really wonderful to see when all the parents are supporting their children in this way. Wonderfully done. Beautiful. Thank you. Wonderful bonding between the parents and their children, and it definitely reflects a profound love and affection between them. Now let's move on to the another activity that is quite interactive. We are going to ask you a question, and let's see what the parents will answer. So the first question is, which is the proudest moment with your child?
Hello.
Now,
I am Prakash Joshi, father of Gaurav Joshi, studying in class 10th. Today I am sharing one of the prideful moments of my son. School has provided many opportunities to my child, which has resulted in pride and honor for us and for school too. However, the most prideful moment for us was that when he has been selected for All India Science competition at Kolkata, which enhanced and built his confidence to speak on the spot. Special thanks to the school management for putting my son way forward, and surely he will be making us more proud, not only nationally but also internationally.
I'm mother
to
of
us.
Tanvi Samal. She's studying in class 10th. Actually, as a parent, the most cherishable moment in my life is when she was born. And when she started her education, she makes me proud at every moment. The most memorable moment in our life was when she was in 5th standard and got the trophy of all-rounder. Actually, that was the pride and even surprise moment for both of us.
wonderfully answered. The next question which I am going to ask is the funniest excuse your child has given to avoid going to school or attending class online. You also can write in the comment box. This is open for everyone.
Hi everyone, I'm Anushka's mother. She's in second B. और जहाँ तक स्कूल ना जाने के लिए बहाने बनाने की बात है, तो एक दिन इसने मुझे बहाना बनाया कि बिकॉज शी इज़ वेरी फूडी, उसको गरम गरम खाना बहुत पसंद है, तो मुझे बोलती है मम्मा आज मुझे स्कूल नहीं जाना। मैंने कहा पर क्यों? तो उसने कहा आप जो खाना देते हो वो स्कूल में ठंडा हो जाता है, इसलिए मुझे स्कूल नहीं जाना। सो बच्चे हैं, कुछ भी एक्सक्यूज़ बना सकते हैं। सो यस, शी मेड दिस एक्सक्यूज़। थैंक यू।
Right. We expect this way only, the children, the kids who actually sometimes make excuses. So the next question is, when you are angry, sometimes you are angry, so what kind of statements do you make when you are angry?
हेलो एवरीवन, जब मेरे को गुस्सा आता है तो मेरे पेट डायलॉग्स यही रहते हैं अक्सर बच्चों के साथ। आप लोग पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे, हर टाइम फ़ोन पे गेम ही गेम। पढ़ाई ज़रूरी है पहले, अगर पढ़ाई नहीं करोगे तो कैसे करियर बनेगा? गेम आपके काम आएंगे क्या? नहीं ना, पढ़ाई आगे काम आएगी। ओपन योर बुक्स एंड स्टडी नाउ। जल्दी से खोलो, अगर नहीं खोलोगे तो एक थप्पड़ और लगेगा जोर से। ऐसे ही पढ़ाई नहीं होती है, जिससे लाइफ बनती है वो पढ़ाई ही काम आती है आपकी। स्टॉप योर मोबाइल्स एंड ओपन योर बुक्स। थैंक यू।
Actually, that happens with us. So let's move on to the next question. That is a beautiful question, I must say. Why? Because this is about you and your child's best memory. Please.
Ma'am, Anvi never wants to miss the class during the summer holidays. She told us every day about you. Why madam is not coming to our house to study? Let us go to ma'am house to study and have lots of fun there. I want to mention one thing, ma'am, here. You all are very hardworking and very supportive. Thank you.
And now the last question, and everyone must be eager to answer it. How you are holding up with your family during this pandemic?
Hello everyone, we all are aware that the world is currently going through COVID-19 pandemic. In the beginning, we all were surprised at what would happen, whether we will survive or wiped out. As we come to know that the lockdown is going to be imposed, we collected food items, sanitizers, masks and gloves, etc. During the lockdown, we were watching news, movies, playing indoor games, etc. Although we marked about 2 hours to study time to our children, we cooked different recipes and completely avoid any junk food. There was a mixed reaction in our minds. On the other hand, we passed quality time at home with our children. Usually it was not possible to interact with our children due to busy schedule and work from home situations. Finally, we hope that pandemic should be over in the near future. Let's be positive and pray to Almighty God. Thank you.
So that was quite interactive session. Everybody enjoyed a lot. We come to know your experiences, and thank you so much for sharing your ideas with us. Thank you all, the parents, those have answered. Now moving on to the last performance. And please connect to Shivain. He is a budding star, and I'm sure he is going to captivate your attention and transport a feeling of joy. Please connect to Shivain.
First things first, I will say all the words I know. I'm fired up, but tired of the way that things have been. Ooh, the way that things have been. Ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think you are to me. I'm one at the sail of the master of the sea. Ooh, the master of the sea. Ooh, I've broken from my young shaking slowly for my dread. Boom and the zoo that I took a mission from me.
But then I broke down, Babe, you make me a believer, believer. Babe, you break me down, you make me a believer, believer. You let the bullets fly, let them rain. Like my love, and I'm grateful. Babe, you make me a believer, believer.
That was really wonderful and vibrant performance. Keep up, Shivain. So this was really a mesmerizing journey with you all, and in the end I would like to thank our management for giving us opportunity to connect with you all. My partner Miss Poonam, our technical coordinator Miss Ankita, all the teachers, those helped a lot, the parents and the students who connected with us, participated with us, and most importantly you all viewers for staying with us, being with us. I would like to thank specially to the person who is behind this program. He is none other than our Vice Principal, Mr. Saurabh Raj Kashyap. Thank you so much, sir, for motivating us, for inspiring us, for teaching us, and for holding our back. Thank you so much. Thanks once again. So in the end of this program, I would say to all the parents that the most overwhelming key to your child's success is your positive involvement. If you are positively involved with your children, you are taking care of them, then there is no hindrance between you, your child, and his success. So wishing you all once again a happy National Parents Day. Thanks a lot for being with us. Thank you so much.